Thank you, James, for this question. It's very important to highlight this particular point. Actually, when you are talking about losses, scraps, breakdowns, loss of resources, all these are some of the pain that the production and the factories can have. And as other sectors, the technology is helping, to evolve, helping to resolve all these pains. And you cannot separate intelligence artificial from industrial intelligence. And industrial intelligence, in my opinion, is the spine, of the spine of the data, because all these industrial intelligence, deep learning, machine learning, algorithm, they would need, a consolidated data, to take advantage and to deliver the right information to the right person at the right moment. But this is a work that the industrial intelligence will work, to seek for the source of data all over the workshop, to put it in a form where we can cascade in a very dynamic way the quality, the production, the time, and to prevent all these breakdowns and pains. We do analysis in the factories since decades, and this analysis helps us to understand, to identify the failure or to identify the fault, and to correct it afterward.